with a Dyson model DC17, and I'm going to show you guys how to take it apart, whether you're changing the motor or if you're changing the belt, which we're doing right now. We went on eBay and we typed in DC17 vacuum belt, and that came up, and I think we paid about $4 for two of them. Really cheap. You can do this yourself. You just need a couple tools. All right, you are going to need a little what do you call that head? Star tool or something like that. And the way you unscrew it is actually from this section here. Before this is all taken apart, there's 4 screws on this little piece here. You can see the little hole there. There's 4 of them. Really hard to get to, but it is possible when you press against the plastic and unscrew those 4 right there. And this mechanism snaps off. You see this little round section? This was hooked into here. I took a screwdriver and I put it up against here and I pried it and popped it off. Did that on both sides. There's also 4 springs that are hooked up in here. If you can see that spring, you'll see them when you flip it upside down. All you do is take needle nose pliers and you disconnect those. Once you get this section popped out here, you're now on the back end of the motor. If you need to replace your motor, you can get in here. Forget about that hair right there, probably from the cat. And then when you get to the motor right here, there's the motor and the belt you need to replace. I just took a flathead screwdriver and popped that off. And on this side right here, once you loosen that up, we've now got the belt disconnected and you're home free. And that's how easy that is, guys, to get that off. And this part just comes right out. The belt is removed. I got one hand, that's why it's a shaky video. But there you go, you got your belt removed. That was just like grinding, it wasn't catching. Gonna put the new belt in. Real easy job here. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something here. Give me a thumbs up.